Hi, this is Steve with an update for Propertunities. We're here in Wigan at our latest flat conversion project. Currently downstairs in the entrance hallway. Some work here we can show you. In the floor, there's a big hole. So utilities are almost finished. The electricity boards just need to connect up the two mains cables into the two new feeds for both the ground floor and the first floor flats. The water has been connected up now from outside for the two new feeds as well, along with the gas, which is partly routed outside the building. So that means we have two fully independent flats. Even down to the detail, we have two consumer units here, one of which is just for this downstairs hallway, which serves one light. That's it. But it has its own consumer unit, so that's good. Come here, this is the ground floor. This will be the bedroom. Looking out to the front. So the guys have already started with the ceilings because this is the flat above. Private building regs, they need acoustic insulation between the two flats. So the ceiling's been lowered, it's been underdrawn, and then it has two layers of board, which we can see here. So this corner's been left for building regs to inspect, so they can see how low the ceilings have brought down, the insulation that's gone in, and then you can just see that there are two layers of boards. There's one underneath, then the layer on top, and then here is one of the boards left, 5 boards ready to fill that gap in. Also down here, this will have the gas meter for this flat in here, and the new consumer unit has been installed in that corner, and it's all been completely rewired. The previous wiring or partial rewire wasn't up to standard, so we've redone all the wiring. So then through here into the main living space. This is the lounge and it's the kitchen. So the same story with the ceiling. All of this has been brought down and lowered, and then there's insulation to fill into that gap. Again, so building regs can see what's happened, and so they can then finally sign off when they're happy. So this is the lounge here. The fireplace was an old 1970s fireplace, which is particularly stylish. That's all gone now. And then round on this side, we've got the kitchen, which was partially installed for the previous refurb, which is going to be reworked. A lot of it's brand new, so it's still useful. It's just making sure that it's all been installed properly. So they're working with the tiles. Gas engineers coming in on Monday to look at the boilers. And then around this side we have a small bathroom that's tucked away under the stairs, which has also been rewired with the electrics, with the extractor fan and plumbing checked out to make sure everything's sound. That's the end of the update for the ground floor flat, and we'll show you upstairs shortly. Hi, this is Steve with an update for Propertunities here in our upstairs flats in Wigan. This is part 2 of the update today. So I'm currently standing at the top of the stairs, having come up from downstairs. And if we pan round, this is the kitchen area, which is being reworked. So this was installed new in the previous refurb, and it was a completely brand new kitchen. Now just some obvious issues like the oven. You may notice it's slightly too low in its housing. It's been installed incorrectly. So the kitchen is going to be worked on. Same here in the corner, these two units are in an interesting place. So they'll be repositioned, and the boiler is going to be recommissioned as well. Gas engineers coming just to make sure that everything's fine. They're actually brand new, they've never been used. We just want to make sure that they are all good before we tenant the property. So coming through here, we have a very large open plan lounge, which comes through into the bedroom behind us. So it's a really spacious 1-bedroom flat, quite light. So they've just finished the first fix and second fix electrics. They finished up here. New sockets installed. Lighting, everything rewired, so it's all up to current standards and safe. We go through into the bedroom, show the front there. two completely independent flats, as we were saying in the previous video. So actually the gas meter and the consumer unit are there in the corner. They've been split, so that's an entirely independent feed from downstairs. The electricians have finished wiring, everything's now all ready to go. And then the layout flows back through into the bathroom, which again was installed in the previous refurb. It was brand new. There'll be some work done in here because the tiling isn't up to standard, and to make sure that it is watertight and all the plumbing is good. So we're actually going to end up taking a lot of this out to reinstall it, but using the suite as it was brand new. So it seems a shame to waste it. I hope that gives you a good update, and we'll send you